The strongest people aren't born strong. They are created in silence, in pain, in nights nobody sees. Batman was never the strongest man in the room. He had no superpowers, no magic, no godlike abilities, just trauma, discipline, and a decision to never stay weak again. While the world slept, Bruce Wayne trained. While others chased comfort, he chased control. Every scar became fuel. Every failure became a lesson. That's what makes Batman different. He turned pain into purpose. Most people wait for motivation. Batman built systems, routines, standards, habits so strong that even bad days couldn't break him. Because self-growth is not about feeling good. It's about doing what must be done, even when you feel empty. Especially when you feel empty, you say you want success. Then stop running from discomfort. The gym when you're tired, the work when you're distracted, the discipline when nobody is watching. That's where transformation begins. Bruce Wayne understood something most people never will. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. Fear destroys weak minds, but disciplined minds use fear as fuel. Batman never eliminated fear. He mastered it. And maybe that's the lesson. You don't need to become perfect. You just need to become harder to break. One more workout, one more late night, one more step forward when life tells you to quit. That's how legends are built. Not in comfort, not in applause, but in darkness. So the next time life hits you, remember this. Batman wasn't created by happiness. He was created by pressure. And maybe, so are you.